it's Lauren from Wildflowers here to introduce to you our newest product called Lace Paste. Lace Paste is a 4D gel. It's available in black and white. These are some of the designs I'm going to show you in the demonstration today. It's a really good idea to start with a plan, so sketch out some designs first before you begin. And you'll notice that this stuff is a little sticky and a little weird. It's like toothpaste that you left open and it just loves to stick to stuff. I feel like the best way to work with this is to put on some gloves and just roll it like Play-Doh. And you'll see it's even trying to stick to my gloves a little bit. So you're going to have to find the perfect tool to use to push this down and to press it out. But don't worry, because I figured out what works just perfectly besides my finger with a glove. And that is the clear stamper from Wildflowers Nails. You have to get this product pressed out completely even. So when you use this clear stamper, it smooths it, it presses it, and it absolutely does not stick to it. So I'm going to grab another little bit and I'm going to release it from the tool, roll it on my finger, and then I'm going to press it down. Another tool that works really good is the back of a spoon pusher, but you just have to watch out because the product will start to stick to it. If there's any residue on there, it'll start to stick to it. So you really need to keep some isopropyl alcohol handy, and you can wipe the back of your tool on the isopropyl alcohol and that will clean it off so that the product won't be prone to stick to it. So again, you can see me sort of just using that to press it out. It's going to be lumpy and bumpy from that tool. So I always go back and I grab my, my clear stamper and I just press that down onto the surface and you can see how beautiful and smooth it makes it. And again, another bead. I'm just pressing this one out. And I notice I have another little spot where I'm going to need just a little bit more after this. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more product here in just a second, and I'm going to roll this out or like a little worm. I'm going to pick that up with my silicone tool, and I'm just going to lay that in there, and then I'm going to press it out. So that's another way that you can handle this product. But the thing is, you want to work quickly because time is money. So you don't want to waste your time. You want to figure out the fastest way to get this product on there and to get it smooth. It's really, really important to have a smooth and even surface. So take your time on this part because carving the design is the quick part. I'm just using my silicone tool and refining this a little bit, filling in here and there where I need it, and then using that clear stamper to push it down to make it just perfect. And here comes the most fun part. I like to use just a regular metal dotting tool or a wooden toothpick. I feel like those work best. You just press it down into the product and then wiggle it around. My advice to you is look at lace patterns because if you don't and you just start making holes, you're going to get this looking like Swiss cheese. Okay, and we don't want this to look like Swiss cheese. So it needs to go in a pattern. Very, very, very important. I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to carve my little spots out. And then if I get any weird little lumps or bumps that stick up, I'm just going to grab that clear stamper and I'm just going to press gently with that clear stamper. The cool thing about this product too is that if you're not happy with it for some reason, you can kind of just squish it all back down and start over again. It doesn't harden until you cure it. So I'll work my way around. If my center hole gets messed up from me like squishing these little petals into it, I can always go back and just fix that. So that's really fun. This product's really fun to work with once you get the hang of applying it. I think applying it is the challenge. Just carving my holes in to create my pattern. And then the next part's really, really fun. Along this edge, all I'm doing is pressing down. And it makes the cutest little delicate lacy edge. I just love doing that. I think I'd do that on every design if I could. So just press it, press it, press it, press it really fast and easy. And then we're all set. You're going to cure this in the LED light for 30 seconds or a UV light for 2 minutes. Doesn't need wiped or anything. Lace paste is also available in white. And if you'd like even more colors, you can play with the silk powders and the pop-up gel from Wildflowers Nails. All of these products are available at www.wildflowersnails.com. Thanks for watching.